Alright, I'm gonna speedrun this private tab. I'm just gonna do something tried and true, but do it for the game that you're playing. Ultra kill is an example. Do a character. I'll just do one. And then you write the forbidden 3 letters at the end. Yep. Yeah, I got an idea. Go on. Whatever you use. I use paint.net, it's really good. 128720. Resolution of YouTube thumbnail. Shrink him down. Make him wide. Now normally if you was actually doing it from the source I recommended, like more like this. So you crop out the bottom half, or whatever half has the YouTube, the monetized stuff. And then you know what you get? This is actually beautiful. This gets my fucking now it's gonna be the thumbnail of this video. You're welcome. Obviously I'm experienced in this. Very. Just do it for the game you're playing. If it's a car game, good luck searching R34. Unless you put a Nissan Skyline, I don't know, your choice. Danny DeWeeder. Yeah. Alright, you're welcome.